Hello friends, welcome in this video. In this video, we are going to study parts of plants. There are different living organisms in our surrounding, which are divided into two parts, plants and animals. Plants are eukaryotic, multicellular and autotrophic. Plants have following parts: root, stem, leaf, flower, fruit, seed, etc. These are the different parts of plants. We see here stem. The stem grows above the soil from the plumule of the sprouting seed. When the seed germinates in the soil, there are two parts arises. One is plumule and second one is radicle. From the plumule, stem grows above the soil. The sprout grows the length of the stem and gradually increases. There are nodes in the stem. From those nodes, leaves arises. The part of the stem between two nodes is called as internode. Internode name itself gives space between the two nodes or parts between the two nodes. Then there are the different functions of stem. It supports and holds leaves, flower and fruits. The xylem and phloem present in the vascular bundles of stems conduct water and minerals across the plant. In case of plant stem, there are vascular bundles or conducting tissues are present, which conducts water and minerals from one part of the plant to the other part of the plant. Xylem, which conduct water, while phloem conduct minerals. Xylem in Marathi called as Jalavahini, phloem in Marathi called as Rasavahini. Stem bear flowers and fruits in a position that helps for processes of pollination, fertilization and dispersion of seeds. Some stem undergo modification to store food and water. For example, potato. Potato which stores the food and water, and potato is the stem part of the plant. We see here two different figures. First figure indicates there are different parts of stem. Terminal bud. Terminal means at the tip of the stem. There are growing points we observe. Small leaves are there. That leaves called as young leaves. Nodes which are present on the stem. Leaves arises from the nodes. There are axillary bud. The space between or part between the nodes, internode, petiole and abscission layer. In the second figure, the xylem which conduct water from the root to the other parts of the plant. Xylem here Jalavahini. Few green stems contain chloroplast and are capable of carrying out photosynthesis as well. For example, cactus. Some stems help for asexual reproduction by vegetative propagation. Vegetative propagation means Shakiya Prajanan. In case of plants, different parts are used for reproduction process. For example, leaves, stem, roots. These parts are used for the reproduction and these parts are called as vegetative parts, and the reproduction called as vegetative propagation. For example, potato. Then leaf. Leaves grow from the nodes on a stem. Leaves are generally thin, flat and green in color. The broad spread out part of leaf is called as leaf blade or lamina. The edges of leaf are called as leaf margin. Leaf margin may be entire, denate or lobed. We see here the figure parts of a leaf. There are different parts of leaf. Leaf base, axil, stem, midrib, margin, tip, vein, venous. Vein and venous, these are the parts of leaf blade and petiole. The tip of the leaf is called as leaf apex. Apex means at the tip. Leaves of some plants have a stalk called as petiole. Such leaves are called as petiolate. The portion of the leaf attached to the stem is called as leaf base. Small leaf-like structure present near the leaf base called as stipules. There are different types of leaves: simple leaves and compound leaves. Leaves of some plants have a single undivided leaf blade and single midrib called as simple leaves. The leaf blade of leaves in some plants is divided into many small parts called as leaflets, and such leaves are called as compound leaves. In different plants, the arrangement of leaves on the stem is different. It may be alternate, decussate, opposite, whorled. Decussate arrangement also called as spiral. There are different types of venation in the leaves. Reticulate venation. Reticulate venation means it shows the network or रेटिक्युलम लाईक व्हेनेशन, ज्याला आपण मराठीमध्ये जाळीदार म्हणतोय. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, पीपल लीफ. पॅरलल व्हेनेशन. सम लीव्स शोज पॅरलल लाईक व्हेनेशन कॉल्ड ॲज पॅरलल व्हेनेशन बनाना लीफ. Then there are the different functions of leaf. Photosynthesis. It is the main function of leaves. By this process, food is prepared in plants, and prepared food is transported or supplied to the other parts of the plant by phloem tissue. We know during the process of photosynthesis, raw material used carbon dioxide and water, sunlight and chlorophyll pigments required, and food is prepared. This food supplied or transported to the other parts of the plant by phloem tissue. Second function, helps for plant's respiration. On the epidermis of the leaf, the small openings present called as stomata, which helps for exchange of gases. Epidermis means epi for upper and dermis for layer. On the upper layer of leaf, there are small openings present called as stomata. Through the stomata, there is exchange of gases takes place. Carbon dioxide and oxygen, these two gases are exchanged here. Then storage of food. In some plants, the leaves are modified to store the food. We know the example here, cactus-like leaves. I hope you understand structure, function of stem and leaves. Thank you, student.